Hi everyone, Michelle Beaupre here. I'm going to show you what you have to do to set up a party in Consultants Corner. So once you sign in, if you have been in Consultants Corner, it'll bring you right to this landing page. Sometimes it brings you into the website if that was where you last were, and then in that case you would just go up to here and there's a place where you can switch to Consultants Corner. When you're in Consultants Corner on your landing page, you're going to click here on Create. And then you're going to click on Create a Party. You can see if you were doing an individual order, you can do that here. And if you were just adding in a contact information that wasn't at a party right now, you can do that here too. But today we're talking about Create a Party, so we'll click there. And then whether it's a live in-person party or virtual or a catalog show, most of the time we're going to be doing virtuals. If it was a fundraiser or wedding, you could pick that too. You're going to choose your start date. The way we're going to train you is to run your parties from Monday to Saturday. So you'll choose Monday as your start date. And the closing date, though, sometimes defaults a little further than you might like. We are going to close shows on Saturday, so that's the date. You can always extend that. And most times you probably will. If you tell customers that the show is there, that it's closing on Saturday, you will probably end up extending until Sunday to get the last of the orders in. That's okay. But you don't want to have it too far and have your customers think that the date's going to be later, because they will not be happy if you try to close it before you said you would. So then we're going to fill this out. And if the person has been a customer for you before, this will populate, except it's not. Why is it not cooperating? Let's just use a different name. Okay. And if they haven't been, then you'll just go ahead and fill all that out the first time and it'll be there later. Okay. And then you can change the party name if you want to something more creative, a little bit of, that catches people's attention a little bit later. So you could say Elizabeth's Meals in Minutes, Pampered Chef Party, or whatever theme you want to use. And you can either leave this as is, or you could shorten it up a little bit, whichever. And okay, that's not available because somebody else has used that. See, that's why I usually just leave their last name. And then you'll come back and fill this part out later. And you don't need to do anything here. It will populate. Why this is here is in case you want to change it. So let's say, for example, two sisters are hosting a bridal shower for their niece. You could change this to say, Auntie Elizabeth and Auntie Catherine or something. So you can customize this, but most times you won't need to. And then you're going to click on Create a Party. And it's going to bring you into this next screen here where the party's been created. And you can, I'll just show you around here quickly. You can click here to look at the any of the details, and you can change them if you have to. The edit here. So if you have to change the dates of the party or the delivery address, you can do that there. And then down here, you'll see that it is creating, you can change these words by clicking on edit here. There's various pictures you can pick from, and you can even see how this is going to look when your host sends it out on either a desktop or on the phone. So you can have a peek there at that, okay? And once you put that Facebook link in, when she clicks here, when a guest clicks there, they'll be taken to the Facebook show. Okay, no, that isn't where it is. It's later on. That's okay. Here it is here. Anyway, I also included in this part, copied into here, but we're good. Okay, so that is the basics of creating a party. You can also do a host coaching email out of here too, but in order to get the show set up and get it ready for getting your party set up, that's all you need to do. Thanks everybody. Good luck on continuing on your training.